Hi everyone. So before we start today's video, I want to show you one small clip of the experiment which I performed in the lab. So in this setup, you see a orange cylindrical capacitor, 1000 microfarad value connected with an LED in series with a AC power supply. The orange lead and the gray lead is connected to a step down transformer which supplies 5-volt alternating supply to the circuit. Now see what happens if I replace this 1000 microfarad orange capacitor with a 470 microfarad capacitor. This capacitor 470 microfarad is now connected in series with the LED connected to the AC power supply, and you see the brightness of the bulb decreases. So as you see in the video, there is a one capacitor and an LED in series which is connected to a 5-volt AC power supply. So the circuit diagram of the experiment looks like this. There is a capacitor and an LED, and both are connected in series with a AC power supply. This is 5-volt AC supply. So in the initial part of the experiment, the value of this capacitor was 1000 microfarad, and later on I replaced the 1000 microfarad capacitor with a 470 microfarad capacitor. So I'm sure you carefully observed in the experiment that when we increase the value of capacitance from 1000 microfarad to 470 microfarad, then the brightness of the LED goes down. Fine. So the reason, let's try to understand the reason why the brightness of the LED goes down. So this is a capacitor and an LED plus the connecting wires. So now we know very well that no wire has zero resistance. These wires have some resistance, and even my LED also has some resistance. Okay, so basically this is an example of RC circuits, a resistor and a capacitor connected to AC power supply in series. Now for the RC circuit, we know the effective impedance or the effective resistance of the circuit. It is given by this equation: Z, which is the impedance in ohm, is equal to R square plus XC square, where R is the resistance of LED and the connecting wires, and XC, what is XC? XC is the resistance offered by the capacitor to the current. So XC, we know XC is given by this equation, 1 by omega into capacitance. Now it is very obvious from this equation that when we increase the value of capacitance, this is the C. So when we increase the value of capacitance C, my resistance XC, it is measured in ohm. So XC, it goes down. Fine. And when XC goes down, so the brightness of the bulb increases. Or vice versa, when we decrease the resistance, like in our experiment, we decrease the value of capacitor from 1000 microfarad to 470 microfarad. So when we decrease the value of capacitance, so C goes down in this equation. So XC, which is the resistance, it goes up. When the resistance increases, so the current flowing in the circuit, it goes down, and hence the brightness of the bulb goes down. So this is a very small simple experiment which we performed in the lab, and the circuit is not very much complicated. We can easily assemble such kind of circuits on the breadboard, and we can understand the concepts which is given in the textbook.